It was October 4th, 2025, when troopers in Hot Springs were alerted that 3 suspects had stolen a large quantity of merchandise from Walmart and fled in a black Dodge Charger. When officers later located the vehicle and attempted a traffic stop, the driver briefly rolled the window down before suddenly accelerating and fleeing eastbound, initiating a pursuit. The suspect fled from troopers, and the reaction from this officer says it all. The driver was speeding and driving recklessly through the area, but shortly after exiting onto Highway 70 East, he lost control and struck a guardrail, causing the vehicle to spin 360 degrees. After the crash, officers detained 2 passengers at the scene while the driver fled on foot, but was captured by state police shortly afterward. A search of the vehicle revealed the stolen Walmart merchandise valued at over $3,000, and all 3 suspects were taken into custody and charged with multiple felony offenses. On June 8, 2025, Trooper Surrett was monitoring northbound traffic on Interstate 49 near mile marker 88 when he observed a motorcycle traveling at a high rate of speed without a license plate. Radar confirmed the rider was going approximately 85 miles per hour in a 70 miles per hour zone. When the trooper activated his emergency lights to conduct a traffic stop, the rider accelerated and fled northbound, initiating the pursuit. The motorcyclist quickly increased speed to over 100 miles per hour and eventually reached approximately 130 miles per hour while riding recklessly through traffic. At times, the rider passed vehicles by driving along the shoulders of the interstate in an attempt to evade the pursuing trooper. The pursuit ended when the rider lost control and struck the rear quarter panel of another vehicle before veering off the roadway into a ditch. The suspect abandoned the motorcycle and fled on foot. Despite a K-9 track conducted by Bella Vista Police, the rider was not located, and the motorcycle was towed and placed on hold for further investigation. On February 20th, 2021, Trooper Zachary Walker was traveling northbound on Harry S. Truman Parkway when he observed a white Audi rapidly accelerating and clocked it at 83 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. The vehicle initially pulled over to the shoulder, but as the trooper approached on foot, the driver suddenly sped off down the De Lesseps Avenue exit ramp, initiating the pursuit.
There's people setting off fireworks in that general area.
Be taking a left onto Cuba. Just made contact with him at 56, coming up to 52nd now.
Is it going to have a call?
Here, be stopped.
69. Complaining about Mason getting hurt and baby getting hurt.
The driver fled through city streets at extremely high speeds, running red lights, ignoring stop signs, and even driving in the wrong lanes of traffic while narrowly avoiding collisions with other vehicles. The Audi continued weaving through multiple neighborhoods, at times exceeding 100 miles per hour, passing cars on the wrong side of the road and turning off its headlights and taillights to evade the pursuing trooper.
North on Paulson, north on Paulson. Clear. Stop, clear. Back east on 56. Clear. Clear. Red ball. Back east, 10-12.
The longer the pursuit continued, the more dangerous it became for everyone on the road. Trooper Walker remained completely focused, knowing every second counted as the suspect kept driving recklessly through the city. With only one mission in mind, bringing the chase to an end before someone got seriously hurt. The trooper carefully looked for the right moment to safely stop the fleeing driver once and for all.
601. I'm coming out on here. Trying to drop the tail. Yeah, there's that man here in front of me as well.
Just make contact with him on, 10-12, hold on. Make contact with him on the right. He's right section here, he's coming. Okay, 10-50.
With the suspect continuing to drive dangerously, Trooper Walker executed a pit maneuver on Ranger Street, causing the Audi to spin out and collide with another vehicle. The driver fled on foot, but was quickly located nearby and taken into custody. Inside the vehicle, troopers discovered marijuana, oxycodone pills, a scale, and cash. And the driver later admitted he fled because he panicked.